Hey guys, uw-uxga here. Obviously now, this is going to be a quick story on how I almost sold or returned my brand new monitor. Now, if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're an OG, welcome back. You know what you gotta do. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're not already. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Somebody just subscribe to the channel. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you click the notification bells button so you can get notified whenever I upload a video. And let's jump straight into this quick story. So as you guys can see, I don't know if you guys are going to be able to tell through the camera or through the lens that this monitor is a very bright monitor. Now, I was using an old Dell monitor, which I managed to already get rid of it. I sold it. And when I took this monitor to the room, put against the old monitor, and it actually struck me that the colors on this monitor, the colors are so vivid. Actually, I had HDR vivid mode set on and the colors looked too bright. They looked too, what's the word? They looked too real, too vivid, that I actually thought that, I mean, I cannot really edit on this monitor because I'm not used to it. And I almost actually traded it in. So the morning after installing the monitor or putting the monitor on the desk next to the other one, I went to the website where I bought it. I bought this monitor from First Shop. It actually took them, let's say, 2 business days for them to deliver. I think I ordered it on a Thursday and they deliver it on a Monday morning. So I went to the website, see if they actually accept return. I went and I read all those fine prints, which you should read most probably before you go and you buy your stuff. And as I'm reading, I ended up finding out that I cannot return the monitor because it's against their policies. I think that's what it said. It's against their policy, and they only accept return if, let's say, the monitor is faulty, and they wouldn't give any refund whatsoever. They would actually just replace the faulty unit, which actually pushed me to look at the monitor with different eyes. Basically, I had to adapt to how the picture profile of this monitor looked compared to the other Dell. Now, I don't have the other Dell monitor here for me to put side by side so you guys can see that they actually don't look the same. As I mentioned, this one here looks really, really vivid, the reds. As you guys can see, this is actually an orange. I don't know if it shows, but I don't think it's going to show properly from the monitor. But this is an orange, and the orange is actually the one color popping so much in the monitor itself, which is actually, it's crazy because if you're not used to it, you will think that these colors are actually false or fake colors compared to older monitor. The older monitor that I had was an old 27-inch Dell, and my pictures on that monitor looked a little bit matte-ish, and the colors look a little bit dark. If I have to make a comparison, it's like looking at my iPhone 5S as compared to looking at maybe the Note 20 right now. Yeah, I think that's the, but it's basically like looking into a Samsung AMOLED panel compared to an old iPhone LCD panel. But yeah, I actually had to edit, I had to watch content on this monitor to actually get used to it. And at some point, actually, I started hating the colors or the image quality on the Dell monitor, that I actually just took it off and put it under the table. And as I mentioned, I managed to sell that monitor, thankfully. But yeah, I just thought I would jump here quickly and just let you know what happened to me. Maybe you are also looking to buy a similar HDR monitor, and you're going to actually have to get used to the colors if you are coming from an older monitor, because it's going to be really a shock, and it's going to be a transition that you're actually going to have to get used to it as times by. I think I got used to this monitor. I think after three or 4 days, I said, nah, I'm going to stick to this monitor because actually is a good monitor. And actually, one other feature of this monitor that I like, because the monitor is so wide, you can actually just come and hover right here and select which part. I don't know if you could do this on the older monitor. But even if you could, it wouldn't have the real estate that this guy has. So now this guy is so big that I can literally put two windows next to each other. Let me show you guys. I probably have a window that is already open and super. As you can see, I have my email on one side, and then I have YouTube on the other side, and I was actually on the Nike store checking if there's new stuff, which is actually good to be able to work two paints side by side, and you can actually multitask. Also, one combination that I actually tend to use is, do I still have it here? Oh yeah, but it's actually this current one here. Using Google Chrome in one side, and then you using Twitter on the other side, which you can easily go through your tweets. As you can see, Zintle is trending. I don't know why she's trending. Maybe I should also trend. Make sure you guys go and you follow me on Twitter. I'm probably on 259 followers, which is pretty little. And obviously we are on 5,000 subscribers on YouTube. Thanks so much for you guys. I actually didn't post anything on Instagram, which is actually the place where I normally post the most. I'm gonna come up with something right now and actually post it there. But anyways, this is my brand new monitor. As I mentioned in the previous video, I'm going to have my new desk set up soon. I'm checking if the microphone is recording. I'm gonna have my desk set up soon. Just give me some time to put my finances together and see what I can have on that video. And if you're a company watching this video and you want to sponsor my desk setup, I don't know, jump in my comments or jump in my DM, or just send me an email and we can talk. Anyways, this is gonna be it for this video. Make sure if you're not already subscribed to the channel, you go and you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you click the notification button so you can get notified whenever I upload a video. Give this video a thumbs up. Go and watch my previous videos. I'm going to link a couple down in the description if I don't forget, and I'm going to catch you guys on my next one. Peace.